Jenny Horne's with us, markets correspondent here on Schwab Network, to kick it off and talk about Exxon Mobil. So deal time, deal talk, your thoughts?
Yeah, deal time, it's right. They need it after what has been a brutal week for much of the energy space. But we did get reports Exxon is in negotiations to buy the shale driller Pioneer Natural Resources, expected to be worth around $60 billion, which with an agreement coming reportedly as soon as just the next coming days. So we did get reports initially from the Wall Street Journal. We do have now several other sources covering this. So it seems like it's a little bit more than a rumor at this point. Analysts are naturally reacting and highlighting the fact this could be the group's largest deal in nearly 20 years. So this move does come as Exxon aims to use those record profits it made back in 2022 to boost its presence in the Permian Basin in Texas and New Mexico. Pioneer, which does have a market cap of roughly $50 billion, is the largest crude producer in Texas currently. So seen as a pretty big win for Exxon, who has not made as big of a deal since it merged with Mobil back in 1999. So major moves here. We are seeing Pioneer, as you can see, they're up over 9% on this session. Naturally, as Exxon is the acquiring company, acquirer, I should say, they are lower on the session here. JP Morgan did say it's unclear if Wall Street Journal's reports price tag of around $60 billion for Pioneer includes some of the assumption of debt and represents some of the equity portions alone. They think that the stars could be aligning on several fronts, which now makes the deal plausible. So right now, that's sort of the whisperings among analysts is what does the valuation look like? Are we paying? I mean, Roth also said this would be about a 13% premium. So that's what they're considering right now. I mean, but also we know that Exxon has been more flush with cash over the past couple of years than, what has been historical for them. So these companies look relatively healthy, and this is seen, I think, as a win for the energy space, which needed one today, Nicole.
All right, the big news there. And then what's going on? AMC, Taylor Swift. Big news, and I'd like to see this. I'm ready to sign up and go see this movie.
So I actually am going to see this movie. So I am part of these $100 million in ticket sales as of October 4th for, of course, this Taylor Swift Eras Tour that's now coming to theaters. This is going to be a pretty major event. The film is expected to be released on October 13th. Tickets became available, though, at the end of August. And AMC said the concert did set a single-day record for ticket sales revenues, also announcing that some of its sub-distribution partners have confirmed more than 8,500 theaters across 100 countries are showing the film. And earlier this week, shout out to Beyonce as well. AMC did announce Beyonce's Renaissance Tour will also be released in theaters starting December 1st. So the fact that Taylor Swift is able to gross $100 million in theater sales is amazing after profiting. I mean, I think that this tour so far has made around $5 billion around the world. It's just amazing. Swift economics, they're calling it. I hate to be part of the hype, but I am, Nicole. I'm going to see it next Friday.
Look, I mean, it's what's going on. It's fact. How about last weekend? The Jets tickets here in New York shot up because she's dating the Chiefs. And
Travis
so with
Kelce,
that,
yes.
yeah, and so with that, the New York Jets tickets went up. It's just unbelievable. She definitely is a hot commodity. Jenny Horne, thank you so much, markets correspondent.